Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's my little camera girl. She turned the camera on. You're gonna be a pro. You guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dayna, and this is
Ashley.
This is my 5-year-old. She is my youngest daughter. I have 4 girls. If you are new to my channel, welcome aboard. We're almost to 1,500 subscribers if you're watching this real time. I would love to get that number higher, so go ahead and subscribe if you are new, and then you can come back for more. What we're gonna do really quick today is kind of start decorating for the 4th of July. So I thought I would just quickly show you some of the decorations that I have made myself. These ones I just bought at the store, but I have done another video showing everything that I have made myself, and I'll put a link to all my 4th of July videos that I have done in the previous year, because I've only had this channel for like a year and a half. So we've only done this 4th of July thing twice now, right?
Yeah. And
I'm doing a lot of craft videos, and I'll show you my front porch at the end of this video. I've already decorated the front porch. So hang out if you like crafting. I'm kind of getting that groove on lately. So let me just show you a few things that we've got that I have made. Actually, I'm going to start unpacking. I didn't make that, but that one's a fun one to decorate with.
That's so old.
It's an old barn.
Yeah,
I made this one, a little star, just painted it red. What else do we have in here, Ash? I made these, but these aren't for the 4th of July. I've got to separate some of my stuff out here.
She made this. She made this.
I did make this one. This one's just a piece of plywood. And then I got the star from Michael's.
And then she painted it blue.
And then stripes.
Yeah.
And then I just put a little, so sometimes I hang it and sometimes I just set it up on the mantle.
Yeah.
That one's a fun one.
And this.
That one goes with the letters. We'll show them the letters here in just a second. We'll set that one down because the letters are buried in here. I've got 2 jars like this that have stripes on them, and then I have...
But you made that.
I did. And then I've got another one that has stars on it. I'll show you that one when I pull it out.
And
that one's not... Oh, that one is?
Yeah, you made that.
So these boards are really easy to do. I can do a tutorial for it if you want me to, but it's super simple. I just get these boards from Michael's. Now you can probably get them from Hobby Lobby. And I just print off a fun little print, any holiday, really. And then you just Mod Podge it to the board and then paint the board whatever color you want. And then I always sand it down and distress it. You can also do pictures.
And this is Abby and Kaylee.
It's Abby and Kaylee when they were little. And I have ones with all of them. We have the other one.
Oh, Mom, that was when you were sitting Abby and Chelsea, not me. I was not born yet.
Yeah, you weren't born yet. The other ones are right here.
Yeah, these ones is all of us.
I'm going to show that one. Oh, that one's another picture one that I just printed out from online.
And this?
That one is Kaylee alone. She's probably like 7 there, 8 maybe.
And this?
She's 13 now.
Is Abby.
Nope, that's Chelsea. When she was 2. Look at this. Show them the picture and show them you. Look at you. Look at the camera. So this is my Chelsea, and this is my Ashley, and they're very similar. They're like little twinsies when they're little, huh?
Yeah, we was like twins because you got exact same shows.
Yep.
And then we wear them the exact same day.
Yep, we did. Yep. All right, so let's see what. Oh, here's the star jar. So I have another jar like this, and so I just do them next to each other. Little flag in a jar. There's the letters. We'll show the letters when we put those up. I've got a banner like this, and it's got little flowers on them.
We put the flowers at the end because we wanted to.
And here's the other banner that we added as well. Turn it around.
It's big because we put it like...
Sorry, this is a little jumbled, but we'll start decorating here.
A little bit.
She's kind of a chatterbox. Can you... Here, take this. Just hold them. So that's kind of fun. We just kind of double them up and add it together.
I don't know.
All right, so then we also have, oh, here's the other board. This is Abby in her board. Then I also do pillowcases. Instead of buying brand new pillows, I just do This one is made out of pajamas. On this side, it's a pair of Christmas pajamas, and then a pair of jeans on the back side. And then I just sew a little pocket to insert the pillow. I do that for a lot of holidays, so I don't have to have multiple pillows. I just have cases that I can tuck away. I don't decorate with these ones too often, but there's two different styles of wreath you can make. This one is just out of bandanas from the dollar store. This one is out of jeans from your closet. And then extra pieces of fabric to make the flowers and the banner. And then that's actually just the ribbing on the jean that you just hang it up with. So those are two ideas. But I don't decorate with these. Actually, I should just give those away. I don't decorate with those too much anymore. So this is the one I made a couple years ago, and it's one of my favorites.
I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of made out of scrap pieces of wood, and then I rough painted them, sanded them a little bit, and then stain over the top of the painting. And then all I did was take the drill and put holes, and then I attached them together with pieces of wire, and it really kind of gives them that like rustic fence look with the wire sticking out. So that one's kind of fun. I just hang that one up.
See that kind of.
All right, so should we decorate?
Yeah.
All right, let's just go decorate, guys.